Hey YouTubers, Gasser Dave here. If you've never installed braided hose and put the fittings on a braided hose before, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way. And this is going to be a short video. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, YouTubers, so the first thing you need to do is you probably want to get this kit. It's called Koul tool. And what that allows you to do, it comes with a number 6, number 8, and a number 10. And it allows you to take your hose, put your fitting inside of the hose, clamp it into a vise, and then you can put your hose onto the inside of here without worried about all these frayed edges. It'll go right in. This is especially useful for the braided steel hose, because I don't know if you've ever done one of those, but you get all those little things in your fingers and you end up with bloody fingers. So this way you push it in and you don't have to worry about it. It goes right in. This goes into a vise, but I'm going to show you another way if you don't have the vise, and my vise isn't set up yet. Okay, so you want to have a good cutting tool. This is fairly inexpensive from Summit, and it does braided line, it does braided steel. Right now I switched all over to braided nylon with all my hoses. So it cuts the line, it doesn't leave any frayed edges on it. Really good for the braided steel. So first of all, you want to take your line and you want to cut any excess off just around the edge to make sure it's set up nice. So you're just trimming around the edge of it to give it a better look. There you go. So I have it a lot better now. Not as many, a couple of little frayed edges here. And that just takes care of those. Then I've already put the fitting inside. So you put it with the hole that slides into towards the other hole. Set it in there. Now what I use is just a clamp. So I go and I clamp it together. Let me do it the quickest way. So it just has to hold it together so it doesn't come apart while you're squeezing it. Okay, so there it's in there. Now I take my hose and all I'm going to do is put it inside this fitting and spin it as I put it inside the fitting. So I'm just going to spin it in a circle.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, so once you got it in there, you can look inside with a flashlight inside the hole, and you can see that it's as far in as it can go. Then you have to just unloosen it, take it from the clamp. It's already in there as far as it's going to go. And now all you have to do is screw this in while putting pressure on the hose to make sure the hose doesn't spin on you. You have to use the right size fittings for it. This one uses a 3/4. They do make special wrenches for this. And then you just tighten it on until it's all the way tight.
Audio Jungle.
So there it is. There you have a completed hose fitting. You don't have any barb stuff showing on it. Straight. And there you have a complete hose fitting, leak proof for your hot rod.